Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurhain Wahida Mutianto. My material number is 305-820. So I will present my individual assignment for this course GMGMK 2033 Office Management about the analysis of workplace conflict video, the expert IT support. So first, the video shows a conflict between an employee who is facing a printer issue and an IT expert. The conflict is mainly caused by breakdown in communications, lack of active listening, emotional stress and escalation, and inefficient problem solving. So in this presentation, I will analyze several conflict issues, identify root causes, and propose several practical solutions. So the first conflict is communication breakdown, which the employee explained the issue emotionally and without clarity, while the IT expert uses a complex technical terms that employee cannot understand, and both parties speak past each other rather than to each other, and this leads to confusion, frustration, and slow down the problem solving. So the root cause here is a mismatched communication style, which employee is emotional and result focused, while the IT expert is technical and procedure focused. And there is no shared language and aligned communication approach. So the second conflict is the lack of active listening, which in the video, the employee ignores some instruction that given by the IT expert because he is stressed, and at the same time, the IT expert also ignores the emotional cues and insists on technical explanations. And both parties fail to clarify, paraphrase, and confirm understanding. As a result, repeated mistakes and repeated explanations occur. The root cause here is the absence of active listening techniques, which there is no acknowledgement of concerns, no checking for understanding, and no effort to reduce the misunderstanding. This causes communication become one-sided on both ends. Next is emotional stress and escalation, where the employee stress from work pressure and react with sarcasm and impatience, while the IT expert becomes irritated, impatient, and loses professionalism, and their tone of voice escalates the conflict instead of calming the situation. And a simple technical issue turns into an emotional confrontation. So the root cause of this issue is the poor emotional regulations from both parties, and there is no use of conflict management skills such as tone control, de-escalations, and empathy. Stress overrides logical communication. So the last one is inefficient problem solving, where the IT expert uses a rigid troubleshooting method that are not suited to the employee skills level, where the instructions are too technical, which causes more confusion, where the employees become overwhelmed and stop cooperating effectively. As a result, the technical process becomes slow and unproductive. So the main root cause here is the problem-solving process not adapted to users' experience level, where there is no simplification and step-by-step support, and also the expert just focuses on accuracy system instead of user understanding. These conflict issues highlight the importance of interpersonal communication, emotional intelligence, and conflict management skill in the office management. Based on these issues, several practical solutions can be applied. So first is simplify communication. The IT expert should simplify communication by replacing technical jargon with the simple and relatable language. Short, clear steps should be provided, and visuals or analogies can be used to help understanding. So second is apply active listening, which the IT expert should allow the employee to finish speaking, paraphrase information, and ask clarifying questions such as, so the printer is not responding at all, correct? Through these solutions, it ensures accurate diagnosis and smoother communication. Next, third solutions is demonstrate empathy, which the IT expert should acknowledge the employee's stress by saying things like, I know this can be frustrating, so let's solve it together. With a calm tone, it can help prevent escalations, and through the solutions, empathy can encourage cooperation and lowers conflict. So the last one is collaborative problem solving, where the IT expert should guide step by step and adjust based on the employee capability, and both parties also need to together to identify, clarify, solve and test. And through this approach, it respects both roles and leads to faster and more effective and efficient result. Okay, so from this video, I learned the importance of adapting my communication to the other person's level of understanding, and I realized that empathy, patience, and active listening are crucial in preventing small conflict from becoming bigger conflict. And I also reflected on my own habits, which sometimes I may rush explanations and assume that people understand me. And moving forward, I will practice active listening, remain calm under pressure, and communicate clearly and respectfully. So this intrapersonal skill will help me to work better with my colleagues and resolve conflict more effectively in the future. In conclusion, the expert IT support video shows how communication breakdown, lack of active listening, emotional stress and escalation, and inefficient problem solving can lead to workplace conflict. This analysis highlights the importance of clear communication, empathy, and collaboration in the office management. Through this video, I also learned the need to adapt my communication, remain calm under pressure, and practice active listening to prevent small conflict from become major issues in the workplace. That's all from me. Thank you.